Welcome to another episode of BoAi's Slow English. We are still in French Polynesia on the beautiful island of BoAi. This morning, we went down our deck to feel the temperature of the water, and surprisingly, it was pleasant. It was not too cold or too hot. So we put on our snorkels and we went for an adventure. Then we tested out our drone so that we could see the resort from a bird's eye view. The wind was calm, and earlier this week it was too windy to bring out the drone. Are you able to spot the drone in the sky? And here's the view from the top. Now we are heading to lunch. We are going to eat at a restaurant called Coco Beach. In order to get to Coco Beach, you have to take a boat, which we are waiting for by the dock. The boat will take us to a motu, which is an islet. I love how this island has different landscape, including this luscious green mountain. Take a look at those houses in the mountain. Would you want to stay here? The boat is approaching. It is first going to drop off the previous passengers that are coming from that motu. This gentleman is docking the boat and ensuring that the customers are getting off of the boat safely. We have to carefully walk on this platform, which was a little bit shaky, so it was testing our balance. And we're off. You can see very far away a jet ski tour.
Every 30 minutes you have a boat for coming back, and the last boat today is at 3 o'clock.
Maruru! Did you hear all of us say thank you in Tahitian? Maruru! These bungalows used to belong to Intercontinental here. However, during COVID, they shut down. We later learned that in order to purchase this resort, it would cost hundreds of millions of dollars. We passed by some locals on kayaks. Or are they canoes? Can you tell me the difference? We are approaching Coco Beach. I really love how there's so many different types of trees on this motu or islet. Shark!
See a shark?
Shark!
Oh gosh, there are sharks.
After that little shark scare, we safely got off the boat. I learned that those sharks are harmless and they do not care to bite humans. There's a lot of algae here that has drifted to the shore. I had no expectations coming to Coco Beach. I definitely was not expecting this kind of party vibe, so that's fun. It smells delicious here, like smoked fish. And I was right. They are smoking some fish. I forgot to film our meal, but I will say I don't think the food was that good, unfortunately. We took a walk in the water, the very shallow water, before we headed back to our hotel. By the time we got back to our room, it was a little bit dark. Look at these tiny little fish. I thought they were sharks. I'm closing out my video today with this awesome Polynesian dance.
Hey!